Ever thought about why stuffing your brain with info the night before a test doesn't always work? Good studying isn't just about reading books or writing notes. It's about getting your brain really involved to not just understand, but remember stuff. Welcome to our study guide. We're going to share some cool tips to make your studying better. This video has 4 parts. In the first part, we'll dive into the world of mind maps. Mind maps are super helpful for people who learn best by seeing. They let you sort out thoughts, ideas, or facts around a main topic in a picture-like way. Imagine it like your brain's own map, guiding you through the info and finding links that might not be clear at first. Next up, in part 2, we'll discover the wonder of flashcards. Flashcards have been around for ages, and there's a reason for that. They make studying fun and can help you remember stuff like facts, definitions, formulas, or quotes. With flashcards, you're not just reading, you're really getting involved with the material. For tech lovers, there are apps like Anki or Quizlet that make making and using flashcards super easy. But don't forget, whether you like digital or paper flashcards, the trick is to use them with spaced repetition. This method means reviewing the flashcards at longer and longer intervals, which helps to really stick the info in your long-term memory. In part 3, we'll chat about blurting. This might sound weird, but blurting can really work, even though it's not for everyone. It means writing down everything you remember about a topic, without peeping at your notes. This can help you see where your understanding is lacking and study those parts more. Lastly, in our final part, we'll chat about the power of teaching. Once you think you've totally got a topic, try explaining it to someone else. If you can do this well, it shows you really understand it. To finish up, remember that there's no one perfect way to study. It's about finding what works best for you and sticking to it. So, whether you like mind maps, flashcards, blurting, or teaching, these tips can help you study smarter, not harder. Remember, the trick to success is to really get involved with the material, review often, and test your understanding. So why not try these methods? You might be amazed at how much they can help your study sessions. Happy studying!